Hi, sweet one, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Take a moment to settle into the position you will remain in for the next little while. Allow your body to be supported fully, breathing into yourself and this space, knowing that here you can simply exist. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Bringing your awareness once again to your breath. Notice the inhale as it enters your body. Notice the exhale as it leaves. Simply witness the breath beginning to calm the nervous system. Again, take a slow, intentional breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Again, breathing in and releasing. Let your shoulders drop slightly. Let your jaw soften. Let the muscles in your face unclench. Your body is receiving the signal that it is safe to rest here. Continuing to breathe, simply hear these words. We are living in a time of intensity. Your body knows this. Your nervous system feels this. There are forces moving in the world that create uncertainty, grief, anger, and fear. You may feel this in your chest, in your stomach, in the background of your thoughts. This meditation is not asking you to deny any of that. This meditation honors your awareness. It honors your humanity. It honors your devotion to truth. And it offers your nervous system something equally necessary: restoration. Because the nervous system can't sustain endless activation. It requires moments of safety, moments of stillness, moments where it can remember its own strength. Bring your awareness to your heart. Place your hand gently over your chest if that feels natural. And feel the steady rhythm beneath your palm. Your heart has continued beating through every moment of your life, and it continues now. Bring your awareness to the weight of your body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting every part of you. You're being held. Feel gravity gently pulling you downward. Feel the stability beneath you. This connection to the ground is ancient. Your body understands it instinctively. Take another slow breath in and release. With each exhale, allow your nervous system to soften slightly more. Allow your body to conserve energy. Allow yourself to rest inside this moment. Now imagine yourself standing in a vast open space. It is nighttime. There is darkness around you. This darkness doesn't harm you. It simply exists. It represents uncertainty, the unknown, the threshold between what has been and what will be. You stand here, breathing, aware, present. Your body is calm. Your breath is steady. You are grounded inside yourself. Now bring your awareness to your chest. Inside your chest, there is a small point of light. Very small at first, almost like the flame of a candle. This light represents your life force, your consciousness, your presence, your humanity. It has always been there, even when the world felt heavy, even when you felt exhausted, even when you felt uncertain. This light never disappeared. It simply waited. Now, as you breathe, notice this light growing slightly brighter. Each inhale gives it oxygen. Each exhale allows it to expand. The light grows slowly, steadily. It begins to illuminate the space around you. This light represents the part of you that remains intact, the part of you that can continue, the part of you that remembers why you are here. As the light grows, you notice something important. The darkness does not disappear, and it no longer feels overwhelming. Your light exists within it, steady, calm, strong. This is how change happens, through individuals who sustain their light, through individuals who remain present, through individuals who refuse to abandon their humanity. Feel the strength of your light. Feel its stability. Feel its warmth. Now, within this illuminated space, you notice a presence approaching you. This presence feels familiar, safe, wise. It may appear as a future version of you, an ancestor, a spiritual guide, or simply a felt sense of loving awareness. They stand beside you. They see your light. They honor it. They have come to remind you of something. Silently ask them, "What do I need to remember?" Taking a deep breath, thanking this presence for their wisdom today. Breathing back into yourself as they fade away, knowing you can always return here to your own inner wisdom and comfort. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body, back to the surface beneath you. Feel your light still present within your chest. It remains with you. It remains accessible. Take a slow breath in and release. Gently begin to move your fingers and your toes. When you are ready, open your eyes. You are here. You are steady. Your light remains, and it is enough. Namaste, sweet one.